All right, we've covered a lot of ground. Is there anything that comes to mind that we haven't talked about that might be helpful for anyone that's new to the Matterport Pro 3 camera?
Not in particular. You brought up a good question, and you said, how do I put it on the tripod? In what order do I put the quick release clamp?
Yes.
On here first. I don't know where I put it. It's right here.
Okay.
So what I do is I put this on the tripod first. So I'll put this on, tighten it down, and then I'll mount this to it. I just feel like having this on here and trying to twist this all around.
Yeah.
Follow is quite annoying.
Okay.
Disable that.
Okay, so what I'm hearing is a pro tip: when you get the Matterport Pro 3 camera, connect the quick release plate, the quick release first to the tripod, and then second connect the Matterport Pro 3 camera. Your chance of losing your Matterport Pro 3 camera in a oopsie,
yeah,
I dropped the camera moment is going to be less.
I would say so. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to add one other tip, and then maybe you'll see if you have anything else to add. Is this came up because another member of the We Get Around Network Forum community actually did drop their Matterport Pro 3 camera. They had bought what they thought was insurance through Amazon to cover the camera. When they went to make the claim, the company said, "Oh, sorry, you were using the camera for commercial use. That's excluded." So so far, I think I've made progress with Amazon to say, hey, it's not fair for you to, when I put the Matterport Pro 3 camera in the shopping cart, to automatically pop up to sell me an add-on of insurance when a $6,000 camera is only going to be used for commercial purposes. And oh, by the way, that pop-up doesn't even mention that exclusion. You have to be a really serious researcher to go get to the website of that company, go find the terms of the contract and know that. It looks like I've been okay stopping Amazon from that pop-up on the $6,000 Matterport Pro 3 camera, but it looks like they're still offering it if you get the Matterport Pro 3 acceleration kit. So my tip is decline the add-on because it only covers hobbyists. It does not include commercial use. And I don't know what else anybody would do with an $8,000, $6,000, and $8,000 camera other than use it for business purposes. So
yeah, that would be annoying.
that would be annoying. Yeah.